In this presentation, we continue learning about add-on development. So far, we have learned how to develop Gmail add-ons, how to create an add-on accessible in the Compose Message user interface. Then we learned how to create cards and widgets for the add-on. After that, we covered the Gmail API and developed a little program that reads a file from Google Drive. In this slide, we are going to learn how to access the Sheets API to read Google Sheets documents. Now we will be learning how to connect to the Sheets API and read an Excel file from our Google Drive. In order to be able to use the Sheets API, we need to enable it from the Advanced Google Services panel. Go to Resources and then Advanced Google Service and locate the Google Sheets API. To the right, click on the button to activate it. In this example, we read some data from a sample file in our Google Drive. We create a file ID variable. This is the ID of the file and can be obtained from the shareable URL of that file. Next, we create a string range name. We will use the A1 notation. It is the workbook name followed by an exclamation mark and then the coordinates of the first cell, a colon, then coordinates of the last cell. For example, the sheet name here is contacts and starting position is A2 and the ending position is column C. So that means all the column C. We ignore the row or column coordinate. For example, here we ignore the row coordinate, meaning that we want to read to the end of this column. The sheet.spreadsheet collection has a get method to read contents. However, it is easier to use the sheet.spreadsheet.values collection and its get method. This get method will return a two-dimensional array containing all the values in our cell. In this example, we log the values at each row for the first, second, and third column.